Script, 1,500 words in one paragraph. SEO optimized, voiceover ready. Oppo is once again setting the stage for a major smartphone showdown as its highly anticipated flagships, the Oppo Find X9 and Find X9 Pro, make waves ahead of their official global launch, with new leaks giving us a detailed look at their design, colors, and global specifications. According to fresh reports, Oppo's global variants of the Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will arrive in more subdued, professional color options compared to their vibrant Chinese counterparts. The iconic and eye-catching red finish, which turned heads during the China debut, sadly won't make it to global markets, but Oppo has something equally elegant in store. The Find X9 will reportedly be available in sleek gray and black shades, while the premium Find X9 Pro will be offered in stylish charcoal and white finishes, giving both devices a luxurious yet minimalist aesthetic that aligns with the global flagship design language Oppo has been perfecting over the years. These images, leaked by the ever-reliable Arsène Lupin, showcase the Find X9 Pro in its global launch colors, revealing a refined design that exudes premium craftsmanship. Despite being a visual downgrade from the bold red Chinese variant, the subtle tones actually enhance the Pro's elegance, making it perfect for users who prefer sophistication over flash. Meanwhile, the Find X9 itself continues to look like a flagship from every angle. Thin bezels, curved edges, and Oppo's signature camera module that blends beautifully into the rear panel. Both phones promise top-tier build quality, with the Pro variant using a mix of premium materials that make it feel as good as it looks. Under the hood, both the Find X9 and Find X9 Pro are powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9500 chipset, a 4nm powerhouse designed to rival Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in performance, AI efficiency, and energy management. This new chipset ensures smoother multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and improved gaming performance, all while optimizing battery life for everyday use. With this, Oppo is signaling that MediaTek's new flagship processor has truly reached premium status. And that's a big statement in a market dominated by Snapdragon. In benchmarks and early reports, the Dimensity 9500 has shown incredible power efficiency, allowing the Find X9 series to maintain peak performance even during extended gaming or high-load sessions. The Find X9 Pro, as expected, will take things even further, with superior cooling technology and more advanced camera hardware that's tuned for photography enthusiasts. Oppo's collaboration with Hasselblad continues here, meaning you can expect natural color reproduction, dynamic range optimization, and portrait enhancements that rival the best from Samsung and Apple. The leaked photos also confirm that Oppo hasn't changed much from its proven design formula. The camera housing remains circular, giving both models a signature look that distinguishes them from competitors. Inside, the Find X9 Pro is rumored to feature a triple lens setup with a 50MP Sony LYT808 main sensor, an ultra-wide camera, and a telephoto lens capable of impressive optical zoom. Meanwhile, the standard Find X9 will feature a slightly toned-down configuration, but still promises flagship-level image quality. The camera bump is smoother and more integrated than before, creating a seamless design that feels futuristic and minimal. On the display side, Oppo has pulled no punches. Both the Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will feature AMOLED panels with LTPO 120Hz refresh rates, QHD Plus resolution for Pro model, and HDR10 Plus support for immersive viewing. Oppo's display technology has always been a highlight, and the X9 series continues this legacy with peak brightness levels of up to 3,000 nits, ensuring stunning outdoor visibility and vibrant colors for media consumption. Battery life is another area where Oppo continues to excel. The Find X9 series will come with large 5,000 mAh batteries paired with Oppo's blazing fast 100W SuperVOOC charging, ensuring you can get from 0 to 100% in around 25 minutes. The Pro variant may also support 50W wireless charging, catering to users who prefer convenience without compromising speed. Both models will ship with ColorOS 16, Oppo's latest software skin based on Android 15, offering smoother animations, improved privacy controls, and advanced AI-driven customization. ColorOS 16 will reportedly include smarter task automation, enhanced voice controls, and optimized UI fluidity, which Oppo claims to be its most responsive software experience to date. For global users, Oppo's decision to keep the interface light and efficient means that both devices will feel fast, intuitive, and ready for productivity or entertainment. In terms of pricing, the leaks suggest a Find X9 will start around $849, while Find X9 Pro will command a higher premium, likely around $999 globally. Competitive prices considering the advanced specifications, display quality, and camera technology included. Oppo seems to be targeting not just traditional flagship users, but also those who appreciate design minimalism and balanced performance. The absence of the striking red color might disappoint some fans, but the introduction of charcoal and white for the Pro model and gray and black for the standard version reflects Oppo's understanding of global market preferences: professional, versatile, and universally appealing. The subtle colors will likely complement the phone's aluminum frame and frosted glass finish, making it ideal for business users and tech enthusiasts who prefer understated elegance over flashy hues. Oppo's decision to align the Find X9 global launch with the OnePlus 13 release is no coincidence either. As both brands share a parent company, this strategic timing keeps the tech spotlight focused on their ecosystem, while offering consumers two distinct design philosophies: OnePlus for performance purists and Oppo for those seeking premium style and camera innovation. The global unveiling on October 28th will also highlight Oppo's growing confidence in its international strategy, proving that it's ready to challenge Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16 lineup, with a combination of design, speed, and photography prowess. Speaking of performance, the Find X9 series won't just look good, it's engineered for power users. With LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, and cutting-edge AI enhancements, these phones can handle anything from 4K video editing to console-level gaming. Oppo's focus on AI integration is evident, as early leaks mention features like AI-powered photo retouching, live translation, and contextual scene recognition, all powered by the Dimensity 9500's dedicated APU. This not only enhances user experience, but also positions Oppo as a leader in on-device AI processing, which is becoming a key differentiator in modern smartphones. The Find X9 Pro, in particular, will appeal to photography lovers with its enhanced computational photography engine that can process HDR in real time, deliver cleaner night shots, and even simulate DSLR-like depth of field using advanced neural processing. The Pro variant's camera array is expected to rival and possibly outperform the likes of Galaxy S25 Ultra in certain conditions, especially in portrait and low-light performance. Combine that with Oppo's Hasselblad color science, and you're looking at one of the best camera systems ever placed in an Oppo flagship. In short, Oppo's Find X9 and Find X9 Pro are shaping up to be two of the most exciting smartphone launches of 2025. From their sleek, globally tailored color palette to the power-packed Dimensity 9500 chipset, brilliant AMOLED displays, and lightning fast charging, every detail reflects Oppo's ongoing evolution from a design-first brand to a serious global performance contender. While the lack of the bold red color may disappoint some, the sophisticated charcoal, white, gray, and black finishes are bound to attract those who appreciate subtle elegance and modern craftsmanship. With their official launch just around the corner, the Find X9 series promises to deliver everything users expect from a premium device: performance, aesthetics, and innovation in one cohesive package. And if you're wondering whether the Find X9 series is worth waiting for, here's TechVerse recommendation: absolutely yes. If you value top-tier performance, elegant design, and one of the most refined Android experiences available today, the Oppo Find X9 and Find X9 Pro deserve a spot on your radar. These are not just another set of smartphones. They're a statement of Oppo's global ambitions and its commitment to delivering beauty with brains. So, if you're ready to upgrade your smartphone experience with a device that balances style, speed, and sophistication, the Oppo Find X9 series might just be your perfect match. That's all for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting tech updates, and stay tuned because the future of smartphones is unfolding right here on TechVerse.